Hey guys, we have seen in a previous video the use of the frame set tag and how we can put a frame inside the frame set. So we know that frame set has two attributes, cols and rows. So we can put cols using a pixels, percentage and asterisk sign, and same as a rows. So now frame. What do you mean by frame? A frame tag defines one particular frame or a window within a frame set, and frame tag has a no end tag. So this is an example that we have created in a previous video, and now we are going to put images inside a frame, and we will see the some attributes of a frame tag. Okay, so this thing we have done. Now 3 columns we have created using a frame set, and 3 frames we have put. You can see here, this is the output. So now to put the content or image in a frame, we need to use a src attribute. It's a source, and I'm going to take a source from this images folder, and it's a 2 3 4 images are here. So in a source images folder, and image name is a 1.jpg. so save this and move to browser and refresh it. So you can see that the image is displayed. So this is how you can put the content in a frame using a src attribute. And here you can see that it is a scrolling right now. So if you don't want to scroll your content or scroll your image, then the noresize attribute is a scrolling equals to no. So here you can see that a scroll bar is not displayed now. So you cannot scroll the image or your content. So by default scrolling will be yes. You can give it to no. And another attribute, like here right now you can see I can resize this frame. So it's not proper thing. I should not resize it. So I need to use attribute. It's a no resize. So just refresh. So now you can see your frame will be not resize. This is resizable, but this will not, because we have not used no resize attribute with this one. You can use it, like I am going to give with all the frame tags. Save this and refresh. So now this will not resize. So this is what the attributes and the usage of a frame tag. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please subscribe my channel.